Okay, today is experiment day. I hope you watched your video last night. If not, you have to do your video before you can do the experiment. What you need here is we're going to do a dichotomous key, what it is and how it works. The materials you need are the 6 beans in a bag, so go get the 6 beans in a bag. And then let's look at what is the purpose for doing the dichotomous key. And your purpose is I will learn how to make and use a dichotomous key. So then we're going to go back. We've set our purpose. Get a bag of beans from your teacher. Pour out the beans onto the desk. Observe the beans. What differences do you notice? Make a list of characteristics that you observe about the beans. Draw a dichotomous key that includes the name of all 6 beans. If you do not know their names, you can number the beans or identify them in some way. Fill out your dichotomous key with the yes or no answers that will enable you to classify all 6 beans. Give your dichotomous key to a classmate. Give the classmate a few beans from your bag. Ask your classmate to identify the beans she has by using your key. So I helped you out a little bit here. Oops. And I made a dichotomous key. You always start right here, and you start with the broadest question. And I said, is your bean green? So if it's a yes, then you move on. If it's a no, then it just stays there. Then you go on to, is your bean round? Is any part of your bean black? So those are just questions I ask, and then you say yes or no and keep moving on. When you've done this, then I want you and your partner to answer these questions, please. And once you have all those answered, you are ready for the quiz. Which of the following describes a dichotomous key? A chart with many choices that guide you to the correct identification or classification of a thing. A guide of 6 kingdoms of life. A long list of questions with yes or no answers. A ranking of classification starting with a broad domain and ending with a species. Him has 3 different types of dried beans, just like you did in the experiment. He wants to make a dichotomous key to classify all the beans. The picture shows the types of beans, so here's his beans. Which of the following would be the best set of questions to use for making the dichotomous key for the beans? Are the beans the same shape? Are the beans the same color? Are the beans the same size? Would those be good questions? Are the beans round? Are they kidney shaped? Do the beans have a black spot? Are the beans small? Are the beans large? Are the beans medium size? And the last one, are the beans soft? Are the beans hard? Are the beans bumpy on the surface? So by looking at these beans, which questions will be the best for him to ask? Number 3, which of the following best states the purpose of a dichotomous key? To group things by the number of arms or legs it has? To group things by similarity? To identify one type of things as unique from the others? To ask yes or no questions. Genre is observing an organism and using a series of questions to classify it. So look at the question. Is it single-celled? Is it many cells? Is it vascular? Is it non-vascular? Does it reproduce by seeds? Does it reproduce by spores? To which kingdom does this organism most likely belong? Animal, protists, fungi, or a plant? Lakshan is making a dichotomous key for the buttons shown below. Which questions will be most helpful? Is the button small? Does the buttons have 2 holes? Is the button oval or is the button thick? Okay, please submit your answers to your quiz, and we'll get ready to move on to lesson 3.